How to get back your post archive on Instagram. So to recover your post archive on Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open up your phone like this, go ahead and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, all you have to, so after you open the menu like this, all you have to do now, tap on this as can see now archive section, tap on this archive button. After you open the archive, as you can see now, by default now it will give you all your story archive. As you can see, here is all your story archive, but now you can't be able to see the post archive. So to see your post archive, all you have to do now, tap on this little icon beside the story archive. Tap on this little icon. As you can see, this little arrow, tap on it, this one. After you tap on the arrow, as you can see now, select this post archive. So if you want to just, as you can see now, here is all your post archive. So if you want to get it back to your Instagram profile, tap on the post that you want to recover. So tap on this three dot after you open the post. After you tap on the three dot, now tap on this show on profile and tap on this show on profile again. So as you can see now, here it says restore. So tap on this back arrow. Now you can go ahead and close your Instagram app and open it again. So now I'll just go ahead and open my Instagram app again and show you the Instagram archive, the post that I recover. So after you open your Instagram, tap on your profile again. After you open your profile, as you can see now, here is the post that I just get it back from my archive. That's it guys on how to recover your post archive on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.